Let's go see what Hobby Lobby has in for fall. My Hobby Lobby does not carry Halloween items, but I could have swore Hobby Lobby has Halloween items. But anyway, this is what my Hobby Lobby had in for fall, and all the fall is going to be 40% off. So you know they have great signage. These are great for like your porch, different things like that. They have like a lot of cute pieces, a lot of nice vivid fall colors too, because I like a little pop when it comes to the season. And like I said, 40% off, so $24 for that, and then it will be 40% off. This is the little savings chart here that they do have. They have things for your kitchen, so you can, if you like to do your kitchen for different seasons, different holidays, different things like that, they have all the good stuff for that for you. They have a lot of pieces that will be considered fall, but really these are pieces that you can leave out all year round. I love a good dough bowl, a good like catch-all tray, different things like that in different wood tones, and have that natural cut look. Those are going to be great for, like I said, all year round. They have like garland pieces, they have wreaths, they have a lot of cute things. Just make sure you look at the things. Like this was the last one of this little gnome container, and then I realized though that it was cracked. But if you do find one that's not cracked, $28, and then it'll be 40% off. But just make sure you check, because when you put it back together, I didn't really see the crack. I only saw the crack once I moved it. So like I said, a lot of pieces are going to be pieces that you can really just leave out all year, because natural wood tones are great, because fall is football season. They have football items that you can grab too. So if you're a football lover, you can see they even have like table runners. They have things for your kitchen. I think they even had like a doormat and stuff there too for the football season. This little tumbler I thought was cute to grab, because it's just like a little football shape. So they had that. They have, like I said, a ton of decor, different colors, different styles, but they all kind of play into that fall color still. So that's cute. And if you wanted to, I like the little piece there, because you can even add like a little bit of florals and just really jazz that up there. They have the door leaners, they have the big signs that you can hang or you can put around. Like I said, a lot of good things for your front porch. So if you are into decorating for the front porch, these are going to be so cute. That is cute. I like things with raised details, kind of give you like that different look to it. I like a lot of neutral pieces, and they have a lot of good ones to pick from at Hobby Lobby. So if you, like I said, if you are looking for some fall pieces, you might want to check out your Hobby Lobby, because right now the fall decor is 40% off. This, I love this. The colors in it, the tone, it's just something different that you really don't see a lot. And it was a nice big size. Again, 40% off. So this one right here was kind of pricey. It's $105, but you'll get 40% off of that. And then they have like traditional style wreaths, like the leaves and different tones, like multi solid. The signage, like I said, I always love this right here is cute. A lot of the signage they've had for the past couple of years, um, but they're cute. So these are things that you can reuse. The framework, the artwork, you can keep that up all year round, but it does have like that fall tone to it. This sign right here, every year I've seen this since they came out with it, and every year I say I'm gonna get it, and I still have not gotten it. And it's not pricey at all. I don't know why I haven't grabbed it yet, but I just love the details on it. The letters are raised on it and everything. Super cute, that one. They have like little animal signs. They have pumpkin ones, just real cute. These will look real cute, like the neutral tones with some cute throw pillows and stuff in your living room or what have you. They have the dishes. They have place settings. They have a lot of different things. Mugs. I love a good mug. So they have all kind of different mugs and things for the season. Drinking glasses, cute plates, and they have artwork too with that same kind of style if you were looking to grab something like that. They have garland, a lot of things that you can use too for crafting. So if you're a crafter, they have, this is a good price for that. Right there, I use that in a lot of fall crafts. So that's good to grab. And they have like bigger bags, and they have longer pieces too. So whatever you're looking for, like I said, you can get crafting. These signs, I've used those. Those are good, and you get a lot in the pack. And again, 40% off for those right there. You can see they even have socks. They have games. Games are always great. So Halloween games, Thanksgiving games, because you have family over around Thanksgiving, Christmas, different things. So like bingo games and stuff like that. That's cute and fun to play. The patches, they have things for baking, so you can decorate things, crafts for the kids, and things that you can grab right now in the fall section at Hobby Lobby. But yeah, Hobby Lobby is like an all around kind of place. And I even heard them come on the PA system, and they were talking about they have like new bedding and different things and that you can grab. So if you are looking for some fall decor, I'm telling you, go down to Hobby Lobby. Throw blankets and different stuff like that. They have a lot of good options for that. And like I said, they have the doormats. So they have like fall theme type doormats. And then they have this cute football one here that I thought was cute. And these are a nice size. Faith, family, and football. And then they have like the little plaid ones. If you like to layer your doormats and stuff like that, they have the plaid ones that you can put under those, which I always think looks real cute. For Christmas too, the plaid ones look good too. The blankets, like I said, nice and fluffy. They look cozy and comfy. They have throw pillows, ton of pumpkins, of course, for you to pick from different colors, different textures, different sizes. Just any kind of pumpkin you're looking for, you can find. A lot of glassware, and the glassware, like I said, that's another something that you can keep out all year. But it has like those nice neutral colors in it. The little cute mushrooms. Those are cute to grab. And it has like the wood tone, the metal tones to it. Thought those were great. A lot of cute little knickknacks and stuff that you can put around for your shelf. If you do tiered trays, a lot of these pieces are cute for that. And you can see those light up there. They have a lot of cute containers. If you do drink stations, different things, you can use these in a lot of different ways around your house for the fall season. So if you are looking to just spice up your home for the fall season, Hobby Lobby is a great place to check out. And like I said, a lot of the fall pieces are going to be pieces, because fall has a lot of like woods and stuff like that. A lot of pieces that you can just play in all year. These super cute, $8, not bad to grab at all, and $8 plus 40% off. So like I said, I love the glassware. I love wood pieces. I love fall is just like a real earthy kind of look to it. So love fall pieces. A lot of the things with the LED lights they have in. And like I said, a lot of things for the kitchen. So they'll have table runners, they have tea towels, they have napkins, they have paper options too. So if you want to have like disposable options and stuff like that, you can mix and match these. So you can have like the table runners, and then you can have like the paper plates, like disposable. But the table runners have a lot of cute little details. They have a lot of cute little prints in right now. So you can just really do it up. They have this right here. Thought was so cute. So the little animal trays and stuff like that. They have the dishes and stuff too that you can grab. And then they have like the cutting boards, the wood things. These are great. Do you like stack? If you stack like your cutting boards and different things like that, or if you just like to put out cute cutting boards for the season, this one $36, and then of course the 40% off. But these are so pretty, that wood against that black. I think that would fit in with a lot of different spaces. They even have, like I said, the other cutting boards and different things. And again, it's going to come into the fall section, so you can layer those together. Again, the cute little plates and stuff with the animals, glasses, tumblers, different things they have for fall. So cute. So you can get a set of 2 of these. So 2, it has that nice orange, and it's a big size too. The little small mixing spoons I think are so cute to grab. And like I said, just a lot of different tones and different things for the fall. They go along with the pumpkins, they go along with everything. So those are good to grab. Plaids, the traditional plaids, they have those in. And that's another one you can just really use all year round, especially based on your theme and stuff in your kitchen and your home. Black and white goes all year round. So yeah, Hobby Lobby has a lot of good kitchen options, and that's usually all year round. They do have good seasonal ones that come and go, but I think fall is the most neutral one that goes a lot of things. This looks like the one at Dollar Tree, but this one is a lot thicker. But this looks like the Dollar Tree has one similar to that this year too. So those look kind of the same to me. But yeah, a lot of cute things for your kitchen. You can use those in your kitchen. A lot of good serving trays, a lot of good just things for entertaining. So yeah, right now I think is a good time to grab. You can always grab after the season and you can still get a discount. But if you're looking just to spice it up for the season, I would head over to Hobby Lobby and check out what they do have in fall. This one right here, this would look so cute with a black cutting board or a dark tone wood cutting board. I think that will look nice together. There's another tray that they have something similar at Dollar Tree, but this is like a heavy material. The one at Dollar Tree is going to be like a plastic, but it'll be 40% off of that $13 there. For that one, they have the tier trays, like the serving trays and different things that you can grab at Hobby Lobby right now. They have aprons. They have these. Oh, you know what you can do with these too? You can put together a nice little basket. If you know somebody that's new to homeowners, home ownership, or anything like that, put them together a nice little basket with these things. And like I said, these are things, the colors and stuff like that, that they can really use all year round. And it's just something cute. They have this little gnome sponge that I thought was cute. Yeah, just a ton of nice things right now for the fall season at Hobby Lobby. So if you are looking for some fall things for your home or anything like that, I would definitely check out Hobby Lobby. I also have a video for the Christmas items at Hobby Lobby that you should definitely check out.